So I have been kind of dealing with TMJ issues since I was 15 years old, so 13 years or so. I've been kind of dealing with mild pain off and on. You know, years passed and I had gone to specialists who kind of suggested different things. Like I was suggested to have Invisalign. They told me I could have Botox injections done to help with the pain. It's not really anything that sounded appealing. I eventually did decide to do Invisalign after kind of being talked into it. And while it helped for a short period of time, it eventually kind of reverted and I started having pain again. I started seeing an acupuncturist for a while. It would help the pain temporarily, but it would always come back. A few years passed after I started doing acupuncture, and one day I was eating and I don't know what happened, but I heard a loud pop. Immediately had a lot of pain and kind of suffered through it for about a week, and then I started researching like specialists in my area because I was not going to live with that. I could barely open my mouth. It was maybe about 1.5 inches that I could open it. So it was very annoying. It was very stressful. I had a lot of anxiety around it. And that's when I came across the Hills Dental Spa. I had my initial consultation with Bo and she was super great. She made me feel good. She told me all of my options. She was kind of like, this is what's going to last long term. This is going to be Band-Aid treatment. So she went through very specifically what I could do. Since coming in, I have just felt very taken care of and heard. And they suggested not to do surgery, which is something I was looking for because I had heard that surgery doesn't always last long term. And obviously I didn't want to do surgery. So after kind of weighing my options, kind of seeing the process and having that initial consultation with Bo, I felt really good about what I would eventually be doing for my treatment. Once I started, they fitted me for an appliance, and within a few hours, I felt better. It was just nice to have someone not suggest something so invasive and something that was very simple, you know, something I had been dealing with for 13 years. So it was just really nice to come somewhere that didn't try to push me in a direction that I didn't want to go. I don't really have pain like I did before I was coming here. Like I said, within a few hours I felt better, but after a few weeks I had normal range of motion. I don't have to sit and massage my jaw throughout the day anymore. I don't wake up with pain. I don't go to sleep with pain. It's just really nice, and it's just nice to be past that part of my life. So I Googled a specialist, TMJ specialist in my area, and I think the Hills was probably the first one that popped up, and it was really nice because I live 12 minutes down the road. Coming here has completely changed my life. I don't have the anxiety, it doesn't stress me out. I'm not having to constantly massage myself or ask my husband for a massage. Seriously, come here. Dr. Winters will take great care of you. The whole team is great, everyone's super sweet. I am just really relieved that I have found this place. What really stands out to me here is when I initially came in, I felt seen and heard, and not like I was being forced to do a treatment that I didn't want to do or something that seemed very scary. They really went over all of my options, which was something that I had never really had explained to me. It was always, do this and you'll be better. Do this and you'll be better. It was never, you could do this and this could happen. You could do this and this could happen. They were very thorough with everything. I'm also really big on just nice people in general, and they're super sweet here. They really care about you, and it's a really great place. So when I went to other specialists to discuss treatment options, I felt very forced into having to do one thing. I wasn't really given options, and here I felt like I had every option given to me and kind of explained to me what could happen with each option, and they were very knowledgeable in my problems that I was having, and I felt like I was given all of the information I needed versus just being told, do this and it'll be better. So it was really nice to have everything explained very thoroughly to me.